In this video, you will see how to change portrait to landscape in LibreOffice Writer. It's very easy. First, click inside the document in LibreOffice Writer, then right click. At the bottom here, you will see the option of page style. After clicking on it, you will see this page style window. Make sure you have clicked here on the page tab. You will see that the current format is a portrait mode, and to change this portrait mode to landscape, under the orientation, you need to select the option landscape. You will see the preview here that the portrait has been converted to landscape, and then just click on OK to change all pages from portrait to landscape in LibreOffice Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.